Welcome to Solar Astroscan. Today's topic is about the Bhadaka Sthana. So, but the word you can understand, Bhadaka means which the sentence also tells that giving the problem. Bhadaka means giving problem. So, each and every ascendant has the Bhadaka Sthana. For Chara Rasi, the 11th house is the Bhadaka Sthana. For Sthira Rasi, the Bhadaka Sthana is 9th house. And for the dual rasis, the Bhadaka Sthana is the 7th house. So this is how you see the Bhadaka Sthana. So how you will feel the Bhadaka, I will tell you basing on the ascendant. Say example, if you take the Aries ascendant, the Bhadaka Sthana is Aquarius, because the Aries from there the 11th house is the Aquarius. So for Aries ascendant, the Aquarius is the Bhadaka Sthana. In the general zodiac sign, the 11th house is the gains and the what all the gains you get, that is the 11th place. So Aries ascendant people will face lot of problems in getting the gains, in getting the benefits, what all the benefits he want to take. So he will face lot of troubles and lot of hurdles there. Okay. So that is you need to understand. And after that, coming to the Taurus ascendant, the general zodiac sign, the 10th house comes as the Bhadaka Sthana. So for Taurus ascendant people, see Bhadaka Sthana is the Capricorn, so they will face lot of career related problems because the Bhadaka Sthana is Capricorn. Okay. Like this you need to understand. Generally what you will do is, most of the people get confused here because they think that the houses, the general zodiac sign, whatever the general zodiac sign is there, that general zodiac sign whatever it is indicating, that will become the Bhadaka. So generally what we think, for the Taurus example, if you take the Taurus ascendant, the 9th house comes, ninth house comes as the Bhadaka Sthana. But when you take from the Aries, from Aries if you take, that is the 10th house. So you can see generally what they will predict is you will have problem with your father. But this will not happen in each and every case, each and every individual. But the common problem where the Taurus ascendant will face is the job related problems. For the career related problems, they will have lot of, they will not go in one go. That is, they need to put more and more and trials, and after that only they will get succeeded in the professional front. Okay. So this is what I want to say about the Bhadaka Sthana. Likewise, you need to take from the each and every ascendant. For the Gemini ascendant, the Bhadaka Sthana is from the general zodiac sign, the 9th house will become the Bhadaka Sthana. So getting any luck is not very easy for them. Like, because 9th is the Bhadaka Sthana. 9th as general zodiac sign, the Saji is the 9th one. So getting luck is not so very easy for the Gemini people. At the same time, they might face problem from the father also. But generally, one thing you need to keep in mind is about the planet also, which is the owner of that house. Generally Jupiter will not give much of a problem. If at all he want to give a problem also, he will be silent, because he will not respond to your whatever you are asking for, that he will not respond. So that might be the problem also with the father. So whenever you ask any desire, like I want to do this, shall I go for that, he might say no for that. Okay. Like that you might face the problem. For the Gemini ascendant I am talking. If you take the Cancer ascendant, the Bhadaka Sthana is because it's the Chara Rasi, it's a movable sign. So for that the Bhadaka Sthana is the 11th house. So the Taurus will come as a Bhadaka Sthana. So generally they will face lot of money related problems. The Cancer ascendant people, they might face money related problems, like lot of financial losses. Okay. And they might face a problem in eating also, like they can't eat more, or they can't digest more, like that. So digestion is a different place, but the second place, which is which from the Aries, it is the eating sign, so that is the Taurus. So they can't money related issues we can find, and second is also family. So in Cancer ascendant people, you can see there will be lot of family issues also. They will have a lot of struggles in families also. So that is seen in most of the cases when I do the horoscope reading also. So if you take to the Leo ascendant, for the Leo ascendant, the Badakasthana is the which house? Aries has Aries will come as the Badakasthana. So Aries is what? From the Aries, if you take, that is the first house. So they will have lot of health issues. So they need to take care of the health point of view. Health, they need to take care of their health. At the same time, characteristic problem, like lot of the people complain about the Aries regarding their character. You can test it, because this I have already in this way I have tested in many of the charts, but it was working accurately. So you can see most of the Aries people, any point of time their character is questioned, because the Aries, the first the starting of the Aries only, it is the first sign only, it is coming as the Badakasthana. So first is what? The self. So there only they are questioned. There always people will doubt about their character, people will doubt about their behavior and all. Okay. So people will use some accused language also. You can find this. Okay. Coming to the Virgo ascendant, the Badakasthana will be the Pisces, because it's a dual sign. So for the Pisces is what? Pisces is the 12th sign from the general zodiac sign. So 12th is what? Expenditure. So they will have problems related to the expenditure, or we can say it is a sleep part. So 12th house is what? Sleep. So they will have most of the Virgo ascendant people will have sleeping related problems, or any kind of problems related to the 12th house is what? Foreign related travel, foreign travels, hospitalization problems, and what all the 12th house will indicate that they might face a problem. Okay. So like this you need to go to the all zodiac signs. I will complete with one more sign also, Libra. If you take Libra also, so Libra, it is a movable sign. So for the movable sign, the 11th house come as the Badakasthana. So 11th house is what? It's the Leo ascendant. Leo will come as the 11th sign for the Libra ascendant people. So the Badakasthana, what is the Badakasthana? The 5th house is the Badakasthana. They will face lot of problem with the children. You take the Libra ascendant people, they will face lot of problem with the children, or their children's life may be a problematic life for also, or they will face lot of problems related to the digestion or related to the education. What all the 5th house will indicate, one of the thing will definitely will be in problem. I don't say all the karakattvas of the 5th will become a problem, but one will be a problem for sure. So you can test it in with all the zodiac signs. You can test it in this way. You can give the exact predictions also. So I will come out with more videos in the coming sessions. Thank you.